Welcome guys, so today I'm with the Google Pixel 7 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can apply tempered glass on this smartphone. Okay, so first of all I can recommend you to put this phone on the box to don't scratch your back or this camera lenses, and put it like that to get this camera bumper over the box, like that. You will feel safe right now and the phone is not going to fall when you press right here. Okay, and right now we have to start with the glass. So as you can see, I have a glass for other model, that's for the Samsung Galaxy A31. Unfortunately I cannot find the glass for this model, so I have to use the other one that fits screen, and it's all because this phone, the Pixel 7 Pro, has this curved display and I only find the flat version of the screen protection. It goes like that, it looks a little bit smaller, and it's all because if this tempered glass goes a little bit wider, it will leave us the air bubbles on the edges. So when you want to avoid this kind of the bubbles, you have to get a little bit smaller glass. So right now when you open this box, you can also find these two wipes, the wet and the dry, and for sure we are going to start from the wet one, so just quickly open it. And clean your display. There is no any protection, I mean there's no any default foil that comes from the factory, so definitely I can recommend you to apply tempered glass or any other screen protection like foil or something like that. Then you will have to smoothly move for the dry wipe and just remove this wet marks after the wet cleaning. You have to remember to reach a very corner and the very edge, and be sure that there's no any pieces of the dust or greasy marks on the screen. You can also turn off the phone if you don't want to get your display to be highlighted each time you touch it. So basically that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so if you want to power off the phone, you have to press the volume up button and the power key, because in the other way you are going to only turn on the Google Assistant. Okay, and when you are sure that everything is fine with your display, there's no any pieces of the dust, you can just start with applying the tempered glass. Let me just take a look on the screen. Yeah, there's still dust on the screen, so I'm gonna take it off. And right now you have to gently grab this protection and remove this foil from this section. Do it like that, gently. Don't too fast. Okay, and right now I can recommend you to hold this glass like that in the 4 fingers and start from the upper section of the screen. Yeah, just like that. Keep holding the bottom part and try to put it evenly for the both edges. In my case everything is fine, so right now I'm gonna hold with 2 fingers right here and put the bottom part. Okay, and right now when you just take a look, it goes almost automatically. You can just press with the finger to make it stick to the screen a little bit faster. You can also press with this wet wipe. If you have these bubbles at the edges, you can just rise with your finger and then apply it back. Of course, it will be the best if you get this curved tempered glass. Let's turn on the device right now and let's see how it looks, if there is no any problem with the touch interaction or something like that. Okay, so as you can see, everything is fine. The display is working. We have the tempered glass on the screen. Unfortunately, there's this air on the edges. It's all about these curves that we can find right here. So yeah, that's how we can apply the tempered glass for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. The installation process looks the same for the flat protection and the curve protection. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.